Now the third method for the separation of solid-solid mixtures is gravitational method. So this method is applicable only when one of the component is heavier than water and the another one is lighter than water. Like this example, when you have a mixture of sawdust and sand and water. Now we know that sawdust being lighter than water, it will float on the surface of water, and sand, it is heavier than water, so it will settle down at the bottom. Now you can decant this mixture, and after decantation the sand will be separated up. Okay, and after that you can filter the mixture, and after the filtration the sawdust will separate. Okay, then you will have only the water. Okay, so by this method you can easily separate the mixture, but the thing is one should be lighter and another one should be heavier than water. Now the next is sublimation. Next method is sublimation. You are very familiar with this topic. Sublimation means the process by which solid can be directly changes into its vapor on heating and on cooling. Okay, the vapor formed again turns into a solid is called sublimation. So that is the process. Like the example of camphor, iodine, ammonium chloride, they undergo sublimation. Okay, so this method is used for solid mixtures in which one of the components can sublime on heating. So it is applicable only when one of the component of the mixture is can be easily sublime, like the mixture of sand and iodine. In this mixture iodine can easily sublimes. Okay, so it will escape out from the mixture and you will have only sand. Now the another example is common salt and ammonium chloride. Now here ammonium chloride can easily sublimes and can escape out from the mixture and you will have only common salt. Okay, so this method is applicable only when one of the component can easily sublimes. So till here you just study thoroughly and prepare notes. The rest of the topics we will discuss another day.